You guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. We're going to be playing around with some holiday products from Tarte. So I have a whole basket right here of a bunch of Tarte holiday products that came out for this holiday season. I'm going to be swatching everything for you guys just like I did last year. We're gonna be swatching it and playing around with it, and then I'm going to share this tutorial with you guys using most of the holiday products and then a really awesome product from Luminous Air, which is an airbrush. It's an airbrush. Isn't it so pretty? It's beautiful. It's pink. We're going to be doing that, and that's it for today's video. So if you want to see all of the swatches and all of the new holiday collections so that you can see what you want to purchase for yourself or what you want to purchase for friends, family, then please keep on watching. And if you just want to see the tutorial, skip ahead a little bit. So looking at this big box that I have right here, Tarte's theme obviously was flamingos and pineapples. So cute. So the first thing that I got from Tarte that is part of their holiday collection are the holiday brushes. Can we just like take a second? The flamingos have Christmas hats on them or Santa hats on them. So in this you get 5 bigger brushes. They are not eye brushes, they're more face brushes. I did use most of them for this look. So we have 2 flamingo brushes, which are so cute. So I would definitely say they're definitely usable, but they are a little on the heavier side. They have some weight to them, so like the weight is definitely up here and not at the bottom of the brush. But these are the little flamingo brushes. They got the little feet at the bottom. They're so cute. And then there are 2 pineapple brushes that are just like a regular brush, and then they have the little pineapple at the top. And then you get this fat little pineapple brush, which actually this is my favorite out of all of them. It was a really good brush to kind of get that contour up in there. That was the brush set from Tarte. I'm going to let you guys know throughout this whole video what everything retails for. I'm going to put the retail price right here so you guys can, so you guys know everything that you can about these sets and whatnot. I know that some of them may be exclusive to Sephora or Ulta or TarteCosmetics.com or Tarte.com, and then you can get some of them in store, but for the most part I've seen them in store, so I don't think you guys will have a problem getting your hands on them. Then we have this cute little guy, which is a little eyelash curler, and you get a mini mascara. The eyelash curler has like little pineapples on each side with pink jewels on it. It works just like a regular eyelash curler. Really cute. If you're in the market to get a new eyelash curler, then I say why not have a cute eyelash curler. The next that we have in here is one of the cutest things, part of the holiday collection. This is called the Life of the Party Clutch and Palette. So this is the inside, so you get 5 different blushes and bronzers in here, and then if you actually take all of these pieces out, you can actually pop out the palette, and girl, you got yourself a little wristlet or wallet, clutch. So when you're done, you can just pop this right back in. I keep the little plastic with it just in case, and you're good to go. So the next set from Tarte is this guy, which is so freaking cute. I think it's one of the cutest ones out of all of them. It is shaped like a pineapple. This is the Pineapple of My Eye set. It comes with a full eyeshadow, bunch of eyeshadows, 2 blushes or 3-ish blushes. One can be kind of used as a highlighter blush combo, a bronzer, a liquid liner, a mini mascara, and a mini lip balm with a little bit of color. Let me swatch this for you guys so you can see all of the shades that are in this palette. So right here you can see the bronzer, the 2 blushes, and like the highlighter, the pinky highlighter, and the lip balm. Here is what the lip balm looks like. In the mascara and eyeliner, you get a mini Lights Camera Lashes, and then the cutest little thing. This is the Sex Kitten liner. Look at the cute little freaking cat on the tip. So cute. The next set is $49, and this is called the Sweet Escape, the collector's set. So it comes with a ton of eyeshadows, a little quad of blush, highlighter, bronzer, and then you get 3 extras, a liquid liner, a mini man-eater mascara, and a lip balm. So here is what that guy looks like. So freaking cute. So when you open it up, you have the little quad right there on the side, the eyeshadows in the middle, and then you have your mascara, eyeliner, and lip balm on the side. I'm gonna swatch all of these guys for you so you can see what they look like. So here are the swatches of the 2 blushes, bronzer and highlighter, and the lip balm right here. And in this kit, the extras that you get is the little lip balm in nude, then you get the man-eater mascara and man-eater eyeliner. Okay, you guys, last but not least, we have these 2 mini sets right here. We have the $20, only $20, and this one right here is only $28. This is the Quench Squad. It comes with 4 different Quench lippies, and then this one is the Mermaid Shine Metallic Sea Glass eyeshadow set, which is so pretty. Let me show you guys swatches of these. Here are the 4 lip balms with all of their cute packaging. The flamingos really just get me every single time. They're so cute. Here's the packaging for all of the liquid sea glass. So you have the ombre, purple, and aqua at the top. Here are the swatches of the lip quench right here, and then you have all of the liquid sea glass right here. Alright guys, so that is it for all of the swatches and all the stuff that I personally have from the Tarte holiday collection, which is a pretty good amount. There's a ton. I actually have their website up right now, and there's a ton of really cute sets that they have and gifts and all that fun stuff. So make sure to go and check that out on their website. Let me know in the comments below which one of these sets was your absolute favorite, which ones you plan on purchasing, which ones you plan on gifting. Shh, I'll keep it a secret. But if you'd like to see how I got this tutorial, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, we are jumping right into this one. We're starting off with the face. I don't usually start off with the face, but we did for this tutorial. Don't suggest it because we used some dark colors in the eye look, but I'm using my Makeup Forever smoothing primer, and then I'm moving on to my Luminous Air Cosmetics airbrush. I'm using the illuminating primer first to give my skin a really nice glow, and then we're going to move on to the foundation. The foundation was, I believe, in the number 6, and it was just a little too dark for me, so after I put it on, I applied a little bit of a lighter foundation just to mix in with it, and you'll see in a second I applied a good amount of concealer as well to make it kind of like even itself out. I wish I was this tan. I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer in all of the areas where I usually conceal, and then blending it out as I always do. And I think we got a pretty decent color in there, right? I think so. We're going to set everything with the Dermablend translucent powder, and right before I did that, I actually did this a couple of times before and after I set my face. I used the Luminous Cosmetics illuminating primer on the highest part of my cheeks just to give a really natural glow to my face. I'm setting underneath my eyes with a smaller brush and then setting the rest of my face with a bigger brush. Then we're going to move on to the brows. I used a brow pencil from Carity, and this brow pencil was just not the right color for me. I didn't see the color first. I just kind of went with it and stuck with it. It's just a little too red for me, so I added some medium brown brow powder to it just to kind of even it out. And then we're moving on to the first palette from Tarte, the one that looks like a pineapple, and we're using the Pineapple Kabuki brush to blend bronzer all over our face, and then adding a little bit of blush. And then we jumped over to the other palette for the highlighter, and I'm going to apply this to the highest part of my cheeks. I'm going to set my eyes and prepare my eyes, prime my eyes, whatever, for some eyeshadow. And I'm just gonna take kind of like a transition, like an orangey transition color to my crease. And then I'm blending a dark brown to the inner and outer corners with a pencil brush. This is gonna help us start out the, I always forget what this eye is called, the halo eye? Spotlight eye. And then we're gonna blend it out. I use this really pretty dark green from the second palette, and we're gonna blend that on the inner and outer corners. I used a tissue to try to catch the fallout. It didn't work as well as I would have hoped, but I tried. For this center color, I wanted a really pretty like light green, so I mixed a yellow and I think this like more aqua greenish blue together, and it gave me this pretty color. And then I'm going to curl my lashes and add some mascara. By the way, you guys, this eye look is inspired by my intern Tania. She's amazing. Make sure to go and check her out. Wow. Hello, ambulance. And then we're gonna apply some lashes. By the way, Tania's information is going to be down below, so make sure to follow her, like all of her stuff. She's super talented and amazing. Once I've applied my lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some liquid liner and some eyeshadow to the bottom lashes. I wanted it to kind of be like an open liner on the bottom, very similar to what Tania did in her look. I'm then gonna add an emerald green liner to the waterline and then a white eyeliner to the very inner corner so that the inner corners could pop. And of course, I stink and really didn't get this on camera. So I hope you guys get the idea. It's pretty explanatory. For the lips, I'm using a Charlotte Tilbury lip pencil and then one of the lipsticks from the palettes all over my lips. And then I'm spraying everything with a setting spray from Tarte. And then I jumped over to this palette from Luminous Cosmetics and added a ton more highlighter to my face so that we could be glowing forever. And this is the completed look. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for joining me and playing around with some of the products from the Tarte holiday collection. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As I said previously in the video, make sure to comment down below which one of these is your favorite, which one are you going to pick up for yourself, which one are you going to pick up for friends or family. Leave those answers in the comments down below. But thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. I truly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, make sure to subscribe to me right here in the center of my face and check out all of my other videos right here on the side. Love you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.